IKEA introduces Grejsimojs portable Bluetooth speaker with Playful mouse design. IKEA has launched a new portable Bluetooth speaker in Europe, expanding its Grejsimojs lineup with a fun and child-friendly design. The Grejsimojs portable Bluetooth speaker comes in a distinctive purple mouse-shaped form, featuring rounded ears, small legs, and a tail-like carry loop at the back. This playful aesthetic aligns with IKEA's recent push toward creative, kid-oriented products, including the previously released dog-shaped Grejsimojs LED table lamp. Designed as both a functional audio device and an imaginative, toy-like accessory, the Grejsimojs speaker is built around a 1.6-inch full-range driver. It delivers a frequency range of 150 to 19,000 Hz and reaches a maximum sound pressure level of 73.8 decibels, making it suitable for casual listening, storytelling, or background music in a child's room. Connectivity is handled via Bluetooth, allowing users to pair smartphones, tablets, or laptops for streaming music, podcasts, or audiobooks. One of the notable features of the speaker is its multi-speaker mode, which allows multiple Grejsimojs units to be connected together for louder and more immersive sound. However, it lacks stereo pairing, meaning two speakers cannot be used as a left-right stereo set. Additionally, it does not support Spotify Tap, a feature available on some of IKEA's other audio products like the Solskjaer speaker. Battery life is a key highlight, with IKEA claiming up to 24 hours of playback on a single charge. The speaker recharges via a USB-C port, though IKEA does not include a charging cable or power adapter in the package. The company describes the product as a musical mouse, suggesting it can be used for dancing in the kitchen, playtime in the living room, or bedtime stories in a child's bedroom. Durability has also been considered in the design. The Grejsimojs speaker carries an IP44 rating, meaning it is resistant to splashes and light moisture, making it suitable for use in kitchens or bathrooms. It measures 8.6 x 13.0 x 9.0 centimeters, approximately 3.4 x 5.2 x 3.5 inches, keeping it compact and portable. The Grejsimojs portable Bluetooth speaker is now available in several European markets, including the United Kingdom, Germany, and Sweden, priced at £12, €14, and 99 cents, and €79 respectively. IKEA has not yet announced whether the speaker will be released in other regions outside Europe. What do you think of IKEA's latest creation? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool tech news.